Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important update on the 2024 WASSCE results and what WAEC is doing to ensure their release. After weeks of uncertainty, WAEC has begun the scanning and marking of the objective answer sheets for the 2024 WASSCE. Thanks to a $35 million CDs payment from the Ministry of Education, work is now in progress to process the results for over 460,000 students across Ghana. However, challenges remain. WAEC is still waiting for an additional $118 million CDs to pay invigilators, supervisors, and repair scanning machines. These funds are critical to complete the results processing and release them on time. We've repaired a few of our machines and resumed scanning, but with only 45% of the work done, we're working tirelessly to meet the December 29th deadline. Meanwhile, WAEC has urged students and parents to remain patient and disregard false rumors circulating online about result release dates. They assure the public that results will be released as soon as the technical and financial challenges are resolved. Despite the holidays, WAEC staff have been recalled to ensure the results are processed as quickly as possible. Over 1,000 examination centers and 460,611 candidates are eagerly awaiting the outcome. WAEC's head of public affairs, John Copy, emphasized that additional financial support is essential to meet their deadlines and ensure smooth operations moving forward. So, as we wait for the final update, let's keep the faith and wish WAEC all the best in overcoming these challenges. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and we'll keep you posted as the story develops. Subscribe for more updates.